This is a diagram of a sailboat to be traced out. This is the paper copy of the sailboat. Using Logic Trace, the first item is to select the 4 points, define the 4 corners of the diagram. You can see here where I'm selecting the 4 corners of the diagram. That will define our display size, and the next thing now is to trace out the perimeter of the diagram. I'll be using the line command and the arc for the corners. I also like to mention that I save my work frequently, so after I do this perimeter, I will save that. You'll notice on the screen there the red pencil. That's how I keep track of where I start. Now I'm going to select arc, and that's how I'm going to trace out the sails. The arc command is touching it in 3 spots. Using the commands like arc or curve fit or line makes the tracing very quick. Here I'll be selecting the trace command to trace out those waves under the sailboat. Being able to use these direct commands, those buttons, makes the tracing very quick. I find Logic Trace easy to use, and it's fast, and it has the ability to be saved in different formats like DXF, PolyDXF, SVG, or PDF. One unique feature is the ability of the program to extend the control window to another device like a cell phone or an iPad. And that control window is the left side. That's where all your buttons are. So you can have this device right close to you to make your selections while you're tracing. Also to note, when you save your work, the program saves a second copy. I call that the work copy. And that copy can be loaded. Say you take a break or continue tracing the next day, you can load that copy and just continue on tracing. The options and setup buttons can be used to configure the program to suit your needs. For instance, I've got the line width at 0.5 and I've got it colored at black to look like a black thread. Getting close to finishing up my tracing, so I'll save my work. I'll save that final copy, that DXF copy. I'm going to load this file into CorelDRAW to set up the cut contour. The cut contour is required so the printer can print and cut the image out. Now that file is loaded into VersaWorks. VersaWorks is the program that runs the vinyl printer and cuts out the image after it's printed. It's interesting here to watch the printer print these images, because after the print is done, the print will be pulled back into the printer and all those images are cut out. The weeding process is done and the pre-mask applied and the heat transfer set up. The press is set up at 300 degrees F and I give it a 10-second press. And the pre-mask is removed and the tote bag is complete. It looks good.